You think you've seen cool tech? Wait till you see this. These gadgets don't just look futuristic, they'll change how you live, work, and play. Let's get into it. Precision matters when it comes to supplements, cooking, or skincare. This spoon has a built-in digital scale that lets you measure ingredients down to the gram. No more eyeballing or using bulky kitchen scales. Whether it's protein powder, collagen, coffee, or baking ingredients, this gadget saves time and avoids mess. It's perfect for anyone serious about consistency and accuracy. Smoothies, protein shakes, iced coffee, you name it. This gadget blends it on the go. You simply add your ingredients, press a button, and the motor blends everything right inside the bottle. A is USB rechargeable, so you can power it anywhere without cords. Plus, it's quiet and easy to clean. Ags for busy mornings or workouts, it's a game changer. Wrinkled clothes ruin first impressions, but lugging around a traditional iron is a pain. This compact travel iron heats up fast and folds down small enough to fit in a backpack or suitcase. It's ideal for quick fixes at school, work, or when you're on the road, making sure your clothes look fresh without the bulk. Say goodbye to tangled cables. This sleek charging dock powers your phone, AirPods, and smartwatch all at once without any mess. Just place your devices on the dock and charging begins instantly. It makes your nightstand or desk look clean and organized while keeping your tech ready to go. Regular water bottles are basic, but this one is smart. It shows the exact temperature of your drink on a built-in screen and keeps beverages hot or cold for hours. Even better, it reminds you to drink water by glowing or buzzing at intervals. If you struggle with hydration, this gadget turns it into a habit you actually stick with. Dust, crumbs, and glitter piles build up fast on desks and keyboards. This compact vacuum easily sucks up all the tiny messes you can't reach with your hands or wipes. Lightweight and USB rechargeable, it's perfect for keeping your workspace clean without a hassle, and oddly satisfying to use. Drinks on your desk take up space and risk spills. This clip-on cup holder attaches securely to the side of your desk, holding your drink without cluttering your workspace. It's sturdy enough for large bottles or mugs, and saves your laptop from accidental coffee disasters. This ultra-thin, waterproof keyboard rolls up like a yoga mat and fits easily into a backpack or purse. Great for people who need to type on the go but hate carrying bulky keyboards. Use it anywhere, clean it easily, and store it in seconds. Oral hygiene gets a tech upgrade. This electric toothbrush connects to an app on your phone that tracks how long and where you brush, helping you clean better and avoid missed spots. The app can even coach you with personalized tips, turning a daily chore into a mini health upgrade. Lost your charger again? This organizer has magnets that hold your cables firmly on your desk or nightstand, so they're always within reach and never falling off. No more fishing around or digging under your desk. Just grab and go. It also keeps your workspace looking neat and professional. Pet hair, fuzz, and pills can ruin your favorite clothes. This manual lint remover pulls off all those imperfections without damaging fabric or needing batteries. The retractable design makes it compact and safe to toss in your bag, so your clothes always look fresh no matter where you go. Straighteners, curling irons, and hot tools can burn countertops or leave marks. This mat protects your surfaces and doubles as a safe resting place for hot tools while styling. It's flexible, easy to clean, and heat resistant, keeping your vanity clean and damage free. Here's a weird but useful one. This motion-activated LED light clips to your toilet and lights the bowl softly when you walk in at night. No more blinding yourself with bright bathroom lights during midnight trips. Just gentle illumination guiding your way. Stay cool hands-free with this neck fan. It rests around your neck and blows air upward, perfect for summer heat, crowded classrooms, or long commutes. Unlike handheld fans, it doesn't mess up your hair and leaves your hands free for other things. If you hate wasting paper, this notebook is for you. Write or draw with a special pen, then wipe the pages clean with a cloth to reuse. Plus, the app lets you scan your notes, organize them digitally, and keep them forever. Great for students, creatives, and planners who want to save money and the environment. Food smells can get out of control fast in the fridge. These small balls absorb odors and keep your fridge smelling fresh without chemicals or sprays. They last for months, require zero maintenance, and make your fridge feel cleaner the minute you pop one in. 2-in-1, warmth and charging. This small gadget keeps your hands warm in cold weather and doubles as a portable charger for your phone. Great for winter days spent outside, commutes, or festivals where power outlets are scarce. Turn your ordinary devices smart. Plug this into any outlet and connect it to Wi-Fi. Now you can control your lamps, fans, or coffee machines with your phone, even when you're away. Schedule times for them to turn on/off automatically and save energy. Tangled necklaces and lost earrings are the worst. This organizer has dedicated compartments for rings, bracelets, chains, and earrings, keeping everything neat and untangled. It's small enough for your purse or carry-on and perfect for trips or daily use. Forget watering your plants for days or weeks. These glass globes slowly release water into the soil, keeping plants hydrated consistently without overwatering. Ideal for busy people or frequent travelers who want healthy, happy plants. Watch videos or follow recipes hands-free. This holder sticks to any flat surface, bathroom tile, kitchen wall, or fridge, and holds your phone securely. It frees your hands and keeps your phone safe from splashes and spills. Tap once for soft light, tap again to brighten, tap a third time to turn it off. This rechargeable light is cordless and portable, perfect for late night reading, hallways, or kids' rooms. It's minimalistic, modern, and mood boosting. There you have it. 22 gadgets designed to make life smoother, smarter, and way more convenient. No clutter, no gimmicks, just tools you'll actually reach for every day. Which one are you adding to your cart? Drop a comment, hit like, and I'll see you next time with even more solid finds.